Welcome to a Magic of Oz banner tutorial. In this step-by-step tutorial, you are going to learn how to take a cut-apart sheet or ephemera cards and turn them into a super cute, fun, festive holiday or party decoration. I'm Shari Philamahala, one of the creative developers here at G45, and I am excited for you to learn how to take your cut-apart sheets, your leftover papers, chipboard, and some twine to turn it into a magical home decor piece. This is a part of our club G45 Volume 9 for 2019 series. If you're not yet a Club G45 member, go ahead and click the description, and in that description you'll find a link where you can join the club. Our club members get a box full of goodies every month. You get $50 worth of goodies in there or more every month, along with a project sheet and 2 video tutorials. This month, along with this fabulous banner, we are also creating this super fun pop-up album. So you get all the Graphic45 supplies and some scrapbook adhesives to create these 2 projects. Both of these projects have been created by the fabulous Annette Green. So go ahead and grab your papers and let's have some fun. So to get started on your Magic of Oz banner, you're going to want to grab that project sheet that came in your club kit. But if you're not a club member yet, you can always print out our project sheets in the description below of the video. And so once you've got that, we are going to be taking our Magic of Oz Journey to Oz paper, and we are going to be cutting out a few of these cute little trading cards. So we're going to take the witch, we're going to take this big card here with all 4 of our favorite members. We're going to take the Tin Man, a Magic of Oz card, and another one, as well as the Scarecrow, Glenda, Dorothy, and the Lion. We're going to cut 8 of these to be 2 3/8 of an inch by 2 15/16. And then we're going to cut 1 piece to be 4 3/4 by 2 15/16. And of course, if you're using another Graphic45 collection, we have a lot of collections with cut-aparts or ephemera cards that you could create a really cute banner using any of those as well. So now we are going to take each of these and round all 4 of those corners. So you'll do the same with all of your trading cards as well as these munchkin rectangles. Step 2, we are going to cut each of these to be 1 inch by 8 inches. And we're going to have 2 of these that are parcel post, 2 scatterbrain scarecrows, 2 there's no place like home, and 4 of poppy fields. For step 3, we're going to fold each of these in half and then round 2 of each of the corners. Next, we are going to sandwich our strips and our backing cards and the front of our cards. So just finding the approximate center of both the backing of the tag and the top and bottom. And then I'm going to take my trading card and adhere like so. And now that we have done that, we can go ahead and notch a V in the bottom of our banner. And then take a crocodile or a hole punch, and using the largest hole, punch a hole in the top of our rounded area. And we'll do the same with all of our coordinating trading cards. All right, now that we've punched our holes and notched our banners, we are ready to add our little chipboard pieces. So we have 3 different buttons that we're going to add some twine to. So just using any coordinating ribbon or twine that you've got in your stash would be great. And you can even leave out this part if you wanted to, but it does make it nice to have some extra texture onto your cute little banner. So in each of those buttons, we're just going to add about 10 inches of twine and thread it through your button and then tie that. Once you have your bow how you like it, we can just trim off the excess. So using just a little bit of liquid adhesive, we're going to adhere that first Magic of Oz trading card with our button in that bottom left-hand corner. Next up, Glenda, we're going to add a cute little square chipboard. And then each piece will just get a coordinating little tiny chipboard, adding some extra depth to each card. Now for step 9, we are going to take a piece of 10-inch wax twine or any coordinating ribbon and fold that in half, and then feeding them through the holes of our little banner pieces. I put our loop through the back, going out the front, and now I'm tucking our tails in our loop, like so. And we'll do this with all of our pieces. For step 10, we are going to take 2 yards of black cording. You could also use ribbon or anything that coordinates, but you're going to want 2 yards of it. And we're going to find our center here, and then just put that in the center of our table with the center of our banner piece. So as you can see here, now we can go ahead and tie on our centerpiece. So using that wax twine, just go ahead and tie that down on either side. And now working from the center out, we'll take our pieces and just slowly move, and we want them to be, I would say when they're laying flat, I would say about anywhere between a half an inch or so away from each other. Quarter of an inch, and tie that on, and then you'll just work your way down through each side. And then once you've got everything in place like you'd like it, then you can go ahead and take those twine ends and tie some nice and neat little bows. So now when everything's all tied up and tied on, your banner should look like this. It should be ready for Halloween or whatever you've created this for. It's a great piece in an art room or in a kid's room. We hope you've enjoyed this banner tutorial. Be sure to hop on over to our 3D mini album tutorial to go along with our Club G45 this month. As always, happy paper crafting.